Most people get X, formerly Twitter, wrong when it comes to embedding videos directly from their Android devices. Many assume you need a desktop to do it, but today I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step way to embed videos on X using your Android phone. First, open the X app on your Android device and locate the video you want to embed. Tap the share icon below the tweet. Here's where most people get confused. They think share via is only for sending links. Instead, tap copy link to tweet. This copies the tweet's URL to your clipboard. Next, open the platform where you want to embed the video, such as your website, blog, or content management system. If you are using WordPress, for example, open a post or page editor and switch to the HTML or code view. Most people get this wrong by trying to paste the link directly in the visual editor it won't embed correctly. Paste the copied tweet link into the editor. XS system automatically recognizes it as an embeddable tweet, and the video will appear embedded when you publish. You can adjust the width and alignment through your platform's editor if needed. For social media platforms that support embedding HTML, you can also use XS official embed code. To get it, open the tweet in a browser. Tap the three-dot menu, select Embed Tweet, copy the code, and paste it into your HTML editor. On Android, you can access this via the mobile browser if needed. The surprising truth is that once you know the correct steps, embedding videos from X on Android is just as easy as on a desktop. Most people get frustrated because they skip the copy link step or try pasting it in the wrong editor mode. In conclusion, embedding videos on X from Android is straightforward. Find the tweet, copy its link, and paste it in an HTML-compatible editor. Once you get the hang of it, you can embed any video quickly and keep your content engaging. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to master your favorite apps on any device.